Hey folks, I just did a demo on how to install the auth2 proxy, and I was providing the secrets to one-click infra. And these secrets then go to Git, and if I start browsing this gitops repository, I can see that in the components folder there is the Kubernetes secret, and these secrets are in my Git folder. Now, what's the first rule with secrets? Don't put them in Git, and you know that very well. For the sake of the demo, I did that, and in this video, I'm here to actually make things right. Before proceeding, I just want to show you that this is just a base64 encoded secret, and if I undecode it, or if I decode it, then I can see that this is my GitHub Applications client ID, which is not too great, because if somebody hacks into my GitHub, they will have all my secrets. So what to do? There is a component in one-click infrastructure. It's called sealed secrets, which gets you a secrets workflow, which is also used by one-click infra. Once you enable this component, all secrets that you provide through one-click infra are going into Git in an encrypted form, meaning nobody will be able to decrypt it except your Kubernetes cluster. So in this short video, I'm just going to install sealed secrets, and basically just by installing it, this auth2 proxy secret is going to be sealed or encrypted. So finally, at that point, secrets in Git will be safe. So let's do that. I'm just going to enable the sealed secrets, and that's all for now. And I am putting it to the GitOps repository, which once it goes there, it will get onto your cluster under a minute. And at this point, you can see that the sealed secrets controller is being created. Now, until it's being created, I'm just navigating back to the one-click infra site, because there are a few handy information what to do with this component. And once it's installed, I need to fetch the sealing key. Now, a sealing key is a public key of cryptographic key pair, meaning that I can take the public key, encrypt my secret with it, and only the private key will be able to decode it. And by the way, the private key is inside the cluster, so only applications inside the cluster can decode the secrets. So I hope my controller is running and I can get the sealing key, which seems I was able to. This is the public key of the key pair, which I am then going to provide to one-click infra under the sealed secrets configuration. And once I do that, suddenly all the previous secrets have been encrypted by one-click infra. And if I write this to Git, then all secrets inside Git will be encrypted, and any further secrets as well. Now there is a rough patch on this setup, because I first provided my credentials and I first wrote them into Git and then used sealed secrets, meaning that the Git history will have my original keys. So that's just something for you to keep in mind. It's very advisable that you start with the sealed secrets first, and then every secret that you provide in this flow will be then encrypted. And there is one other nice thing with one-click infra is that the secret workflow is write only. So even one-click infra won't be able to decode your secrets, only your controller inside your cluster. So if I click this button, the secret will be cleared, and I will have to provide the secret again, because again, nobody is able to decrypt the secret, only your cluster. So I have written everything into the GitOps repo, and what has changed here? Well, the secret type was changed to the sealed secret type, which is Kubernetes CRD, or a custom resource. And instead of these base64 encoded strings, I have this long encrypted string. And basically what will happen inside the Kubernetes cluster, if it sees the sealed secret type, is then it's trying to decrypt from this encrypted form. So I'm just going to look into the cluster and see how that goes. Let's go to the infrastructure namespace, getting the secrets. Well, I have this sealed, I have this auth proxy secret created 20 minutes ago, so that's actually not what I was looking for. But if I look into the logs of this controller, it will tell me that, well, this secret was already existing. So let me help the controller and finish this flow by deleting the auth to proxy secret, and then look into the logs again. It still says already exists, so let's see what happens now. Maybe I was going to delete the sealed secret pod and just ask him to basically unseal all the secrets again. And let's see the logs. All right, so at this point, my auth to proxy secret was unsealed. And if I get the values from this secret, I can see these forms that was actually first in the Git repo. So this is the unsealed version of the secret. So just as a recap, I used the sealed secrets controller, and I encrypted all my secrets that go into Git, which will be decrypted inside the cluster once they get in there. So it's actually a component that I recommend to enable if you use one-click infra, because at that point nobody will be able to unseal your secrets. Not even one-click infra will be able to read them, because it's a write-only flow. The moment you give it on the interface, it's going to be sealed, and I just throw away the original value. So yeah, that was it.